Today's video is a bit different. The reason because I am super excited and I have recently purchased Apple Mac Mini. Let's jump into the video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Unbox and Beyond, and my name is Srini. This channel is all about first impression and overview of the product. From the past 20 years, I have been using Windows machine, and over a period of time, I always thought about switching to Mac machine. And I think now, as I'm growing in content creation, I thought of upgrading my machine. So that's the reason I have purchased M4 Mac Mini, because I have seen a lot of YouTube videos about this machine and it has got a good review. Within the budget price, I think this is the machine which can help you to work even faster. So friends, if you feel such content are useful to you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And do let me know in the comments what do you feel about Mac Mini 4. So this Mac Mini which I purchased is M4 Pro chip. And this version is 24 gigabytes of unified memory and 512 gigabytes of SSD memory. And I can say that it's a M4 Pro chip base model. Okay, so without wasting time, let's do the unboxing. And here you go. Oh, I'm super excited. So this is the Mac machine. Look at how small it is. It feels so satisfying. Take a look. So inside the box you will find Apple Mac Mini. Then you will have a power cable. And some bunch of Apple documentation. So this is the Mac machine. Look at how small it is, how small the form factor is, and I am super excited. So it has two Thunderbolt port and one headphone jack in the front, and on the back it has power charging HDMI port, and then you have 3 Thunderbolt USB-C port. It is small and yet powerful and compact. So now I need to do the setup of this machine, and because I'm new to Apple, it will take me a while to do the setup and understand the OS. Definitely there will be a learning curve because I'm new to macOS and I need to learn. I will be posting my experience of the machine as I set up and I start working on it. So friends, that's all in this video. Do let me know in the comment section what do you feel about Mac Mini M4 Pro version, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. That's all in this video, and I will see you in the next one.